Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like you're drowning in debt? In this video, we'll show you the easy steps to fix your finances and forget about money worries for good. Start by subscribing to our channel for more expert advice on managing your finances and achieving financial freedom. Diets and making healthier food choices have been proven to improve one's overall well-being. Similarly, making a plan and sticking to it can help individuals make progress in their financial journey. A study by the National Endowment for Financial Education found that people who tracked their spending were more likely to reduce their debt and build savings. By being mindful of their spending and creating a plan to achieve their financial goals, individuals can set themselves up for long-term financial stability. Budgeting software can also play a significant role in this process, enabling users to categorize and track their expenses effectively, monitor their savings and debt repayment progress, and set reminders for bill payments and important deadlines, ultimately streamlining their financial management and minimizing the risk of errors. Moreover, cultivating healthy financial habits requires discipline and persistence. Developing a savings habit can help individuals prepare for unexpected expenses and avoid accumulating debt when faced with emergencies. Investing in a diversified portfolio can also provide individuals with a sense of security, knowing that their money is working for them and generating returns over time. In addition, taking advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as 401(k), and IRAs, can help individuals save for long-term goals while reducing their taxable income. These strategies not only promote financial stability, but also contribute to a sense of financial well-being, as individuals feel more confident in their ability to weather financial storms and achieve their long-term objectives. The importance of financial education cannot be overstated. And to help you with your wealth construction, I have a gift for you that I'll leave in the first pinned comment. You won't regret it. Having a solid understanding of personal finance concepts, such as compound interest, credit scoring, and inflation, can empower individuals to make informed decisions about their financial lives. Financial workshops and online courses can provide valuable insights and practical advice on investing, budgeting, and managing debt, helping individuals stay on track and adjust to changing financial circumstances. Moreover, online financial forums and support groups can connect individuals with others who are facing similar challenges, offering a sense of community and support as they work towards achieving their financial goals. Ultimately, financial education is an ongoing process that requires dedication, persistence, and a commitment to lifelong learning. To further aid in achieving financial stability, individuals should consider automating their savings and investment processes by setting up automatic transfers to their savings or investment accounts. Setting financial goals and tracking progress can also help individuals stay motivated and focused on achieving long-term success. Additionally, implementing a reverse budgeting strategy, where savings goals are prioritized first, can help individuals allocate their income effectively and ensure that they are meeting their financial obligations while also making progress towards their long-term objectives. Regularly reviewing and adjusting one's financial plan can also help individuals stay on track and adapt to changing financial circumstances, ultimately reducing stress and anxiety related to financial uncertainty. Having a plan in place for managing debt is essential, as it can seem overwhelming to many people, but creating a plan to pay off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can be incredibly liberating. Utilizing a debt repayment app or working with a credit counselor can make this process achievable. Moreover, making timely payments is crucial in maintaining a positive credit history, which is an integral aspect of financial health. It is also vital for individuals to allocate a certain amount each month and stick to it, even if it's a minimal amount, as consistently setting aside money can help to build an emergency fund and long-term savings. Another crucial aspect is to prioritize needs over wants, ensuring that essential expenses are covered before allocating money towards discretionary spending. By adopting this mindset, individuals can better manage their finances and create a stable foundation for their economic well-being. Staying on track financially also requires regular monitoring of one's credit report, as these reports often contain errors that can significantly impact one's credit score. Identifying and resolving these errors can greatly improve an individual's credit standing. Additionally, keeping close tabs on one's credit utilization ratio can help individuals avoid overspending and accumulating additional debt. This ratio refers to the percentage of credit being used compared to the credit available and can significantly impact one's credit score. It is essential for individuals to strive for a ratio of less than 30% of their available credit, thereby reducing the risk of being perceived as a high credit risk by lenders. Furthermore, understanding the intricacies of credit scores and credit reports can empower individuals to take control of their financial lives and make informed decisions. Creating a budget and tracking expenses can also go a long way in maintaining financial stability. Budgeting apps or spreadsheets can be useful tools in this regard, enabling individuals to categorize their expenses and make adjustments as needed. Some financial institutions offer free financial counseling or access to financial education resources, which can also be beneficial in navigating the complexities of personal finance. Another strategy is to use the snowball method to pay off debt, which involves paying off the smallest balances first and then working towards paying off larger balances. Alternatively, individuals can use the avalanche method, which prioritizes paying off debt with the highest interest rates first. Regardless of the approach, developing a clear understanding of one's financial situation and creating a plan to address it can be a powerful step towards achieving financial freedom. Implementing small changes to one's daily habits can also have a significant impact on one's financial well-being. Avoiding impulse purchases and being mindful of discretionary spending can help individuals allocate more money towards saving and debt repayment. Creating a waiting period before making non-essential purchases can also help individuals determine whether the purchase is necessary or if they can live without it. Moreover, adopting a long-term perspective and prioritizing financial goals can help individuals stay motivated and focused on their goals. By combining these strategies with a clear plan and a commitment to tracking expenses and staying on top of credit reports, individuals can set themselves up for long-term financial stability and prosperity. Strategy used: staying on track and consistently making progress towards one's financial goals can lead to long-term financial stability and success. Many of us struggle with managing our finances, and it's easy to see why. With the pressures of modern life, it's simple to get caught up in overspending and accumulating debt. But the consequences can be dire, from stress and anxiety to financial insecurity and even ruin credit scores. The good news is that getting your finances in order is easier than you think. First, it's essential to understand the root of the problem. Often, financial issues stem from a lack of awareness and poor money management habits. We might not be keeping track of our spending, or we might be stuck in a cycle of overspending and debt. The key to breaking this cycle is to take control of your finances and make conscious decisions about how you spend your money. The first step to fixing your finances is to track your spending. This means keeping a record of every single transaction you make, from small purchases to large ones. You can use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to make it easier. By looking at your spending habits, you'll be able to identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments. Next, it's time to create a budget. This means making a plan for how you want to allocate your money each month. Be sure to include categories for savings, debt repayment, and emergency funds. Once you have a budget in place, it's time to start paying off debt. Focus on high-interest debts first, such as credit card balances. Make a plan to pay more than the minimum payment each month, and consider consolidating debt into a lower-interest loan or credit card. Another crucial step is to build an emergency fund. This means setting aside money each month into a savings account that you can access if unexpected expenses arise. Taking control of your finances can also involve adjusting your spending habits and learning to prioritize your expenses. For example, you might need to cut back on non-essential expenses like dining out or subscription services. It can be helpful to implement the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards essential expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. By prioritizing your spending, you can free up more money in your budget to put towards your financial goals. As you start to make progress on your financial goals, it's essential to avoid setbacks. This means avoiding lifestyle inflation, where you inflate your spending as your income increases. Instead, direct excess funds towards your financial goals, such as paying off debt or building your emergency fund. You can also use this opportunity to invest in your future, whether that means contributing to a retirement account or taking courses to improve your earning potential. By continuing to make progress towards your financial goals, you can set yourself up for long-term financial stability and success. Studies have shown that people who keep track of their spending are more likely to stick to their budgets and achieve their financial goals. This is because they have a clear understanding of their financial situation and are able to make informed decisions about their money. Additionally, having a budget can help reduce stress and anxiety related to finances, as you'll feel more in control of your financial situation. By taking the time to track your spending and create a budget, you can set yourself up for financial success and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with it. Financial goals are a crucial aspect of a person's life, as they provide direction and motivation to achieve stability. For example, research by the Journal of Consumer Research found that people who kept a food diary were more likely to stick to their diets, and this principle can apply to financial planning as well. People who are aware of their spending habits are more likely to make conscious decisions about how they spend their money. Additionally, research has shown that people who track their spending tend to spend less overall, as they become more mindful of their financial habits. One common challenge many people face when trying to get their finances in order is sticking to their budget, which can be due to unrealistic expectations or a lack of accountability. Implementing a system of checks and balances, such as having a financial accountability partner or using automated budgeting tools, can help overcome this. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the budget ensures that it is working effectively. Setting financial goals, such as paying off debt or saving for a specific goal, can help individuals stay motivated and focused on achieving financial stability. Establishing a clear distinction between needs and wants can aid individuals in making smarter decisions regarding their money. Another significant factor to consider when trying to manage finances is credit score. Maintaining a good credit score can save an individual from incurring higher interest rates or loan rejection. Some strategies to improve credit score include focusing on paying bills on time, reducing debt, and avoiding new credit applications. Monitoring the credit report and disputing any errors that arise can also contribute to a more favorable financial standing. People with high credit scores often exhibit common habits, such as making timely payments and maintaining low credit utilization. Adopting these habits can help a person work towards achieving a good credit score and enjoying the benefits that come with it, such as lower interest rates and more favorable loan terms. Some methods for tracking spending and staying accountable include automated budgeting tools and Excel spreadsheets. A system where actual expenses can be compared against budgeted expenses can help pinpoint areas that need improvement. For some, sharing financial information with a trusted friend or family member can add a layer of accountability to spending. Finding alternative sources of income can also play a crucial role in achieving long-term financial goals. People who generate passive income, such as rental income or royalties, can set aside more for saving and spending. However, not many individuals know how or where to start looking for additional income sources. People who achieve significant success in terms of building wealth share common characteristics, such as patience, discipline, and long-term vision. Financial planning oftentimes goes beyond the initial steps of creating a budget and setting goals. Making conscious decisions that align with financial objectives is just as essential. Staying up to date with market trends, holding on to quality investments, and maintaining an informed outlook can make all the difference. Choosing to diversify investments reduces risk and minimizes losses from market downturns. Furthermore, individuals who put a lot of effort into monitoring and analyzing their financial information are in a better position to identify potential areas of improvement and address them. Understanding financial concepts such as compound interest and compound growth can inspire an individual to make timely and informed decisions regarding investments and savings. Without a long-term view in place, reaching financial milestones can become overwhelming. Therefore, setting concrete financial objectives such as owning real estate by the age of 40 or attaining retirement by a specific age enables decision-making around financial issues. Alongside, avoiding being overconfident with investments can severely restrict overall performance. Being able to set clear priorities and maintaining flexibility when dealing with market downturns are a few significant tools for creating the path to achieving financial stability and success. Building wealth often requires setting specific, measurable goals and implementing strategies to achieve them, such as investing in retirement accounts or investing in stocks or real estate. Additionally, building wealth often requires a certain level of financial literacy and awareness. Educating yourself on various investment options and staying informed about changes in the financial market can help you make informed decisions about your money. By adopting a long-term perspective and making informed financial decisions, you can work towards building wealth and achieving financial stability. It's essential to understand the different types of investment vehicles available and their respective risks and rewards. For instance, investing in stocks can be a high-risk, high-reward strategy, while investing in bonds is generally more conservative. Real estate investing can also be a viable option, providing a tangible asset and potential rental income. Understanding these options and how they align with your financial goals can help you create a diversified investment portfolio that minimizes risk and maximizes returns. Maintaining a disciplined approach to saving and investing is also crucial for building wealth. Avoiding lifestyle inflation and directing excess funds towards investments can help you build momentum towards your financial goals. It's also essential to avoid common pitfalls, such as trying to time the market or making emotional investment decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By staying focused on your long-term goals and maintaining a disciplined investment strategy, you can navigate the inevitable ups and downs of the financial markets and stay on track towards building wealth. Another critical aspect of building wealth is tax planning and optimization. Understanding how different investment vehicles are taxed and utilizing tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401k or IRA, can help you minimize tax liabilities and maximize after-tax returns. Additionally, incorporating tax loss harvesting and other strategies can help you offset gains and reduce tax obligations. By optimizing your investment portfolio for tax efficiency, you can retain more of your hard-earned wealth and accelerate your progress towards financial stability. Moreover, building wealth often involves creating multiple income streams and diversifying your sources of wealth. This can include starting a side business, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or generating passive income through real estate or intellectual property. By creating multiple streams of income, you can reduce your reliance on a single source of income and increase your overall financial resilience. This, in turn, can provide peace of mind and a sense of security, allowing you to focus on your long-term goals and aspirations. Furthermore, building wealth requires a commitment to continuous learning and self-improvement. Staying up to date with the latest developments in personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies can help you stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing market conditions. This can involve reading books, attending seminars, or seeking guidance from financial professionals. By investing in your own financial education, you can develop the skills and knowledge needed to navigate the complex world of finance and achieve your financial goals. Fostering a supportive community and network can also play a significant role in building wealth. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals and values can provide motivation, accountability, and access to valuable resources and expertise. This can include joining investment clubs, attending financial conferences, or participating in online forums. By building relationships with others who share your passion for building wealth, you can gain new insights, stay inspired, and overcome obstacles on your path to financial success. Ultimately, building wealth requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By adopting a long-term perspective, staying informed, and maintaining a disciplined approach to saving and investing, you can work towards achieving your financial goals and building a brighter financial future. By following these easy steps and practical tips, you can start fixing your finances and achieving financial freedom. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on managing your finances and achieving financial goals. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with a friend who might benefit from it too.